The right way to bench press barbell. Think you're crushing your bench press? What if I told you that the way most people press is slowly wrecking their shoulders and stealing their gains? Today I'm going to show you the exact steps to master the barbell bench press, the right way, so every rep builds strength instead of pain. Intro transition. Welcome back, athletes. Whether you're chasing a bigger chest, stronger arms, or just raw power, the bench press is king. But here's the truth. Almost everyone messes it up. And those mistakes don't just slow your progress. They can put you out of the gym for months. Let's break it down. Common mistakes. First mistake, flaring your elbows out like a chicken. Looks powerful, feels strong at first, but it's grinding your shoulder joint. Second mistake, bouncing the bar off your chest. That's not strength. That's momentum. Third mistake, lifting your feet off the ground or dancing on your toes. It destroys stability and robs your pressing power. Be honest. Have you done any of these? Don't worry, like almost everyone does in the beginning. Teasing the correct form. Now here's the good news. When you fix just 3 key positions in your feet, your back, and your grip, your bench instantly feels smoother, safer, and stronger. Let's start at the foundation. Step 1. Foot position. Think of your legs as the roots of a skyscraper. If they're shaky, the whole structure collapses. Plant your feet flat on the floor, slightly behind your knees, and press down as if you're driving the ground away. This creates leg drive, free power, that carries all the way up through your chest and arms. Step 2. Back core. Next, your back isn't flat and it's an arch. Not exaggerated, but enough so your chest is proud, and your shoulder blades are squeezed together like you're pinching a pencil. This protects your shoulders and makes your chest the star of the movement. Imagine lying on a bow. The curve stores power and stability. Step 3. Grip bar path. Now the grip. Hands just a bit wider than shoulder width. Too wide, and you overload the shoulders. Too narrow, and it turns into a triceps press. When you lower the bar, don't drop it straight down. Aim for the lower chest right around the nipple line. On the way up, drive it back slightly toward the rack, creating a J-shaped path. That's how elite lifters press heavy weight safely. Wrong versus right contrast. Let's compare. Wrong form. Elbows flared, bar bouncing, feet floating. Your joints take all the stress and your power leaks everywhere. Right form. Feet planted, core tight, back arched, bar under control. Every muscle is working together like gears in a machine. That's how strength feels. Solid, stable, unstoppable. Advanced tweaks. Once you've nailed the basics, add these tweaks. Drive your knuckles toward the ceiling. To keep wrists straight, squeeze the bar like you're trying to leave fingerprints on the steel. Exhale with power as you press. That tight core acts like armor. Now here's my challenge. Go grab a bar, strip the weight down, and try 10 flawless reps. Notice how much smoother, safer, and stronger it feels. This is how you build not just muscle, but mastery. Keep practicing, keep pressing, and remember, every rep is a step toward the strongest version of you.